Hey everyone, welcome back to our training circuit that we're doing at ARKA 360 OS. So one thing that we've developed here is our CRM. Now we've done tons of videos on our CRM, you've seen a lot of things on it. One thing that people are asking us is about the tags and the filter options that we have available. So that's what we're going to do today. So super simple, super easy to do. It's going to be one of those moments where after watching this video, you're going to be shaking your head saying like, yeah, of course it's that easy. So we have our filter button here. You can put tags right here. So these are all the tags that we've already created. So you can see all the different ones, carport, power gazebo, everything like that. You can also filter by property type. You can filter by region. You can filter by lead source, everything like that that you want to do, system costs, whatever. You can have it in here. But for tags specifically, what I want to focus on is they're super easy to create. So let's say that you have this customer here who is doing something different. You guys haven't done something like this before. Let's say it's trenching. You guys want to add trenching to your tag list. Very easy. See where it says add tag? You just type in trenching. And now that tag is saved. So now if we wanted to filter out our leads here by trenching, it's in our tag list. We click it and then we move on to the next step. So very simple to do, very easy to do. And you can create as many tags as you want. You can create them for any situation that you need to. So continue to follow this video series if you guys have any questions, and we'll be more than happy to help you guys out.